Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a clean environment and installing Backtrader. You want reproducible runs. Once done, load your CSV or live feed and confirm timestamps parse correctly so bars align. Next, define a minimal strategy subclass with Next, and set your initial cache and commission on Cerebro. Then, add your data feed to Cerebro and attach the strategy. These are the concrete first moves that get the engine running immediately. You will build on this in the next step. Now implement the trading logic. In init, attach indicators like SMA, RSI, or ATR so they compute once per bar. That ensures performance and correct indexing. In next, reference indicator lines decide signals and place orders via self, buy, or sell, while recording order ID and handling order notifications to avoid duplicate entries. Once logic is stable, run Cerebro. Run to simulate. If you need parameter sweeps, use Cerebro. Op strategy to test ranges and compare performance metrics after each run. Finish by attaching analyzers to Cerebro to compute sharp, drawdown, and trade statistics. Export results for deeper analysis and plot only small datasets to avoid clutter. For execution, if you move to live trading, replace the backtest broker with a live connector and run paper trading for several market cycles to validate behavior. If things go wrong, enable detailed logging and inspect order lifecycle events and timestamps. Mismatched time zones or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.